In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Notion Mail. This walkthrough is designed to guide you step by step, even if you are completely new to the platform. Notion Mail is a modern email experience created by the Notion team, and it is built to work seamlessly with Google. It brings your emails, tasks, and workflows together in one organized space, helping you stay focused and productive without constantly switching between tools. If you have been curious about Notion Mail or want to make sure you are setting it up the right way, this video will cover everything you need to get started. To begin, open your web browser and head over to Google. In the search bar, type in Notion Mail and press Enter. You will see several results, but make sure you select the official Notion Mail page. This ensures you are accessing the real product directly from Notion. Once you find the result that says Notion Mail, click on it to continue. You will now be on the Notion Mail product page. This page gives you an overview of what Notion Mail does and how it fits into your existing workflow. Take a moment to read through it if you would like. When you are ready to move forward, look for the button that says Get Notion Mail Free and click on it. This starts the setup process. Notion Mail currently works with Google accounts, so the next step is signing in with your Gmail or Google Workspace account. After clicking the button, a Google sign-in window will appear. Select the account you want to connect with Notion Mail. You will then be asked to grant certain permissions, such as allowing Notion Mail to read and manage your email. These permissions are necessary for the service to function correctly. Review them carefully, then click Allow to proceed. Once you are signed in, Notion Mail will begin setting up your inbox. This process happens automatically. After it finishes, you will see your email interface inside Notion Mail, with your Gmail messages already synced. There is no need to import anything manually. On the left side, you will find your inbox and labels, and in the main area, you will see your email conversations. One of the key strengths of Notion Mail is organization. You can group emails, apply labels, and connect conversations directly to your Notion workspace. This makes it easy to turn emails into tasks, notes, or follow-ups without leaving your inbox. Try clicking on an email to explore options like tagging, organizing, or linking it to a Notion page. You can also customize how your inbox looks by adjusting views to focus on unread messages, important conversations, or specific labels. Spend a little time exploring the settings so the layout matches how you work. And that is it. You have successfully accessed Notion Mail, connected your Google account, and learned the basics of using it. As you continue using it, you will see how powerful it can be when combined with your Notion setup. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.